Okay, these are the Rainforest Gardens, part of the botanical gardens. As you can see, some of the plants are really tall. They've been growing quite a bit in the last couple of weeks with the hot weather. This is a suspension bridge in the middle of the gardens. This is a weeping blue Atlas cedar. Don't remember all the names, but I have them written down for the garden walk. Lotus plants in the little bog here. And then here's a view of part of the lake in the museum. Lastly, the tree with the pink things on it is called mimosa.